Well, good evening, everybody. It's been another great day out here on the back roads, and we found a great spot out here to camp. We're kind of out on the edge of this little ridge here with a great view, and the way the wind's been blowing, we're actually pretty sheltered from the wind. And everything was pretty damp from being poured down rain all day. We were able to have a nice campfire, keep ourselves warm, and just catch up on old times. So that's always great. Now, we did cheat a little bit dinner-wise. I didn't cook out here on the road, but we stopped and had some Mexican food there in Milton-Freewater. So it was pretty good Mexican food place, and fortified ourselves for the run up the hill here. But this is not going to be a 1,000-mile round trip. This is probably going to be limited to maybe 200-300 mile total. All right, I will shut up now and get on with it. I'm going to be heading into my bed here, and hopefully we'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. So have a good night. See you tomorrow. Well, we've decided to make this our 2-night stay spot because you just can't beat the view. Fortunately, we've had some good significant rain in this area, so everything's pretty wet now. We're able to have a fire, and that's a good thing because it's been pretty chilly today. This wind cuts right into you. We're really happy to be out here. So thanks for joining along, and I have a feeling that while we're out here, people are going to get a little bored and have to find things to do while we've got some idle time in camp. Anyway, we'll see how it goes, and we'll see you in camp.
Yeah, that's pretty hardcore survival stuff there.
Oh, here it is. Haven't had this thing out forever.
I hesitate.
Yeah, the bushcrafters would not be happy tonight with this. This is cheating. Cheating to the max.
You ain't cheating, you ain't trying. If you got caught, you weren't trying hard enough. Just saying.
But it's ready in 16 minutes. Yeah. So good morning. Well, we got another great campsite on the logbooks now. We're going to make our way toward Hell's Canyon and hopefully find another great spot. If we can find another good place that we had like this spot, then I'm hoping maybe we can stay there a couple of nights. Just enjoy and recharge and relax a bit. It's nice to get away and kind of be away from the hustle and bustle. But it is nice for a change of scenery. Getting up here high and looking down over the world. You just can't beat it. It just doesn't get any better than seeing the sunrise come up over the mountains in the morning like it did last couple of mornings we were here. It's just been gorgeous. So very grateful to be able to do this, and now it's time to move on. So come on with. See you out there.